Anani kwa Ramogi kumkete mana Ramogi TV kaendi baka moro na chiko kaendi tu ni nyaka sani ji 15 seda dhogi ni lemo mag tend migepe. Komiti mar od bura mar piedho jogo manyocho jatend Kenya William Ruto walo ne odonjo odiochieng' mar 3 kawuono. Komiti no orango matut weche manyalo reso midhiero e bad migepe kaka mag wuoth, aluora kod limbe. Walter Nyambaga nigi ler mar wachni.
E kinde piedho jotend migepe mowalo odiochieng' mar 3 e nyim kamiti. Seneta Maelgeo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen obedo wendo e nyim kamiti no. E kaja od bura ma Pokot South David Kosing omiye ting' mar lero yore mag tieko dhungruok mag nyamburko apaya pacho kam to kod jiwo chenro mag gedo mag apeyni.
Expressway. If you come from airport, Honorable Chair, and you come to Parliament, you land at Capital Center. It doesn't help.
Are you going to get new roads done together with finishing and paying the old roads?
If we are going to say we will not construct new roads, what will you do to constituencies like Northor? Is the SGR issue, the transport system. We know that the goods are cheaper if they are transported by rail, but they become expensive when they reach the end of the rail to the last mile.
Kamiti no ne dwaro ng'eyo ngadho mag tieko mibadhi mosebede kambi ndeke mag Kenya Airways to kod gedo mag alap mag ndeke to kod counties duto 47.
Kenya Airways has a problem as well, you know that. When I was in the finance committee, they had borrowed a lot of money.
PZD take over the operations of Mombasa, Lamu and Kisumu ports. Can you shed light on this?
The privatization of many parts of the port, which happened, I'm surprised, Honorable Mishi, you have an issue with it because a lot of it happened a lot in the last 4 years. I'll make sure that I dismantle those agents of state capture and return resources back to the people of Kenya so that the people of Kenya can benefit.
So ipantuya mogwel ne lemo mag bunge kod aluora ne orakore kod penjo makaka inyal kong bunge mag Mau yor kelo koth mopogore kod sundo ganda mondo lok gi puothe minyal pur.
Considering the fact that you come from Narok County, the home of the great Mau forest, and you know the encroachment into Mau has caused serious devastation. What is your view, really? Because now you must help us understand what your view is.
Once the plantations are cleared, they get seeds and seedlings from the Kenya Forest Service. They plant the trees, and it is a sustainable way of involving the communities in restoration of the forest, but at the same time deriving a livelihood from it.
Kimani Chungwa, Owen Baya kod Robert Mbui ne okodok chene wi manyadierim marito ler kod yore mag tieko horo.
What do you intend to do as the minister now in charge of environment, if approved, to make sure that you clean up our rivers and stop the habit of either residents of our residential areas from dumping into the rivers?
How do you intend to enhance participatory forest management and ensuring the forestry sector makes a contribution to poverty?
Jatelo no mogwel ne lemo no mar limbe Penina Malonza to chalo kagima duoko ne orimone nyim kamiti no e kaja od bura ma North Menti Abdul Rahim ne dwaro lere wi lwenj dhano kod joka lem makinde ka kinde.
I just want her to reconcile her background from anthropology, study of human, study of Homo sapiens, how we evolved from Homo sapiens, Homo habilis.
Mishi also asked you, if you go to Nakuru where Gikaria comes from, there's an area called Shabab where it's a daily battleground between baboons and human beings.
Owen Baya makilifi notho kone Penina ni kuonde mag chamo ngima kanyakla kod magawa ma yodho wadh nam chumbi e chalo kagima duono e kendo welo chako dok chien e kadwaro nitiere mar resogi.
One of the weakest link in the tourism is marketing and branding.
Marketing, as I've said, marketing cuts across.
Kamiti mo walne piedho jotend migepe mogwel ne lemo opogore osedayo dhoji 15 odiochienge mar 3. Kamiti no kawo yweyo mar yango odiochieng' mar Masuja Day kendo chano duogo kendo tich abich tarik 21. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, County Hall, Nairobi.